How to create YouTube ads to Google Ads, learn step by step right now. First of all, select the option New Campaign over here and proceed ahead. Now select the campaign objective as per your need like sales, leads, website traffic. I have chosen sales over here. Now select the conversion event for the objective sales over here. Select the campaign type as video. Now select the bidding method and the cost per action. I'm choosing target CPA and putting 800 rupees as my cost per action. Now over here, select the campaign budget, country and other language details over here as per your requirement. Now with the preset inventory details, do not touch anything, choose as it is. Now you can add site links for more clicks and conversions. You can add up to 4 over here. Now add the URL and the dates for the site link extension till they are valid. Now in advanced settings, you can select devices, add frequency and scheduling. Scheduling is basically till when your ads will be running, and frequency, how many times you want to show your ads, and frequency capping. Now select demographic targeting like age, gender and income over here. Further filter the targeting and demographic groups. Add the video URL, headlines, call to action and description. Your campaign is good to go live now. Hit like and follow for more.